Hello and welcome everyone. Today we'll be building a budget 1080p gaming PC with the RX 6600. So let's get into the build. First thing we're going to do is get our 650 watt power supply into our case. Power supply is secured in the build. We can go ahead and prepare the motherboard. For our motherboard we have the MSI B550M Pro VDH Wi-Fi, and in that we're putting the Ryzen 5 5500 CPU. Now let's get our 5500 secured into the socket. Next up is 16 gigabytes of 3600 MHz RGB DDR4 RAM. We'll get our 1 terabyte of SSD storage secured. There we go, and then we'll get that screwed in. Now finally, for our motherboard, we are going to get our Arctic Freezer 36 RGB cooler onto our CPU. So this is going to help keep our 5500 very nice and cool and quiet in the hot Northern Territory weather. First off, let's get our thermal paste applied. Cooler block is installed. We can go ahead and attach the fans and then connect the fan cable to our CPU fan header. Okay, now that our Arctic Freezer 36 is secured onto the CPU, we can go ahead and get this motherboard into the case. Okay, now that our motherboard is secured in our case, we can go ahead and start connecting front panel connectors, power connectors. Gone ahead and done a quick bit of cable management in the back, and all the cables are connected in the front, so we'll tidy them up after we get the GPU in. I can get our triple fan RX 6600 into the system, and the triple fans will keep this nice and cool in the very harsh Northern Territory weather. So let's get it in. Now that the GPU is in the system and everything is complete, we can go ahead and finish off the cable management and then finish setting up the PC.